Hey DIYers, happy holidays. Today on Make Your Mark, we are making the cutest Frida Kahlo pumpkin ornament with the help of my friends at Arteza. Now you can also use a regular ornament to make this Frida Kahlo ornament, but today we're using mini pumpkins because I had a bunch left over from my fall projects. Now before I forget, thumbs up if you like this video and leave me a comment if you have a question about this project or you just want to say happy holidays. Are you ready? Let's make a Frida Kahlo ornament. Archaeologists discovered the oldest domesticated pumpkin seeds in the Oaxaca highlands of Mexico. Pumpkins are believed to have originated in Central America over 7,500 years ago. In 1939, the Louvre bought Frida Kahlo's The Frame, making it the first work by a 20th century Mexican artist to be purchased by an internationally renowned museum. In her career, Frida Kahlo created 143 paintings, out of which 55 are self-portraits. Kahlo said, "I paint myself because I am so often alone and because I am the subject I know best." Glittering surfaces have been found to be used since prehistoric times, in the arts and in cosmetics. As early as 30,000 years ago, mica flakes were used to give cave paintings a glittering appearance, and prehistoric humans are believed to have used cosmetics made of powdered hematite, which is a sparkling mineral. I would love to hear what your favorite Christmas ornament is in the comment section below. And if you have a second, give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I'm going to leave a link to Arteza and everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press that notification bell so you know I have a new video. Grab any one of my craft books for inspiration and I will see you next week. Happy holidays!